Every morning, a single thread awakens, quiet, invisible, full of promise. For over 70 years, that thread has been woven here at Tuntex, a place shaped by craftsmanship and trusted around the world. It's not just about making fibers. It's about connecting ideas, materials, and people, from research to garments, from strategy to service. Every decision blends experience with intelligence. AI and data help us work with greater precision, greater consistency, and greater respect for resources. This is how automation deepens understanding, how scale builds true reliability. AI-powered fabric design happens before production begins. Physical materials become digital twins, scanned, simulated, optimized. What once took months of sampling, prototypes, and revisions now happens in minutes. Crafting garments in stunning virtual reality, freeing creativity, and accelerating team collaboration. Caring for performance means caring for impact. By rethinking materials and processes, we reduce waste where it matters most, at the source. Here, sustainability is not a promise, it's a system. Knowledge becomes powerful when it's shared. Through digital product passports, every fiber carries its full story, transparent, traceable, and trusted. This precision and impact come from years of transformation. Digitalization revolutionized sustainability at Tuntex. Since 2014, we've embraced Industry 4.0 with IoT and data systems. In 2021, AI boosted efficiency, quality, and cut carbon across production. The Tuntex Automation Inspection System, with AI and cloud data, achieves zero fabric inspection and eliminates source waste. The future isn't just materials, it's people and what we pass on. At Tuntex, every fiber carries responsibility, from one thread to one shared, sustainable future.